See, that's nice. Oh, see, he's looking for Julie. There we go. Looking for Julie. Oh, nice and cool. You'll see if Julie comes back. He's going to be at the end of that line.
And I had no problems by myself with him down here yesterday.
I know.
Yeah.
That's why you work every day, because every day is a different day to the dog. They're not just they're not trained at that on that one day. You know what I mean?
Oh, I do.
And they're not used to everything on that one day.
The Julie distraction. It was.
We can just get rid of Julie. Can we rehome Julie?
She might have got lost.
Huh?
She might have got lost.
I doubt it. It's a little bit of a walk, you know. It is. I mean, it's not a long walk, but it's. There we go. That's nice. Did you stop already?
Yeah.
No?
Okay. This is my spot.
I was thinking one of those kids was Julie before.
Oh.
It's not. He doesn't know that though. He just sees like, you know, short black hair.
Could be her.
Could be her. Oh, how cute is that? That would make a great picture if I was taking pictures right now. Now run. Now normal. Nice.
Oh, she was starting.
She's very good. Good boy. You don't need to cry because Julie's not here. You don't need to cry. Why are you crying?